Wadama, petition or say petition against illegal mining activities at Sabronum. Your Royal Majesty, recent occurrences in Sabronum has prompted us to write this petition seeking your help. Some time ago, heavy-duty machines, which are used in galamsey, that is illegal mining, were sighted in Sabronum. Due to the fact that galamsey operators have a penchant for causing irreparable damage to the ecosystem, which will eventually affect our livelihood as farmers, the Assemblyman made calls to the stool elders and the district chief executive of the area to find out if, peradventure, any of them have been informed before the machines were brought. The Opemsuo Gyaasehene Abusuapanyin and DCE of Sabronum indicated that they knew nothing of the galamsey operations. An emergency meeting of the stool elders and family members, as well as the assembly members, to find out who exactly sanctioned the illegal mining activities, who exactly sanctioned the illegal mining activities. However, everyone pleaded innocent. We forwarded the matter to the DCE, who, upon investigations, informed us that Nana Jeu Atuonie, Gyaasehene of Sabronum, Etioni, Gyaasehene of Sabronum, was the one who authorized the illegal mining and provides them with his continued support. He had voice recordings from the illegal mining operators to confirm his claims.
Yeah, and yet none ever catch them you.
Or send them and never catch them.
And yet, them who yache.
Or so who yache?
Some way yache.
So who somewhere yache, papa.
About chronicle mumba and maybe.
Or say about chronicle who presume a baby.
Now, because young heard the issue on Famram.
Or say, I say, or not down with church today. You ever heard the issue on Famra country?
National Investigation Bureau for them Cassie and Quayam Famram.
Or so say, be like for. What else go ahead? The Famra country.
Reporter, the Bramir Shaha.
So reported the bread or ha?
Would dean womb, a chairman and a dean womb, a day. What money I'm with you?
Or so far, you would do what I do, more before you would do.
When I'm with you.
When you would do.
And yet, Nanny ever catch.
Was in your name, catch no.
A buy archer means I can't. A Bible may bear me and says 9.
So buy archer, Bible soon bear 9 when it was been somebody. You had to catch no.
And she, my mamma, mobile chrono.
See, every time. What the corridors of all the corridors were a manual, Bobo.
Says the man was a chairman here. One name.
Those are Jamaican.
What did you say?
What did you say?
I could not prepare be a friend or say, could you?
Was that one for the same with you?
And I come almost yet person one near this man.
Was that not a couple of for some of the man?
Now, so the more my son, a man who said, Nipa bin so abesre.
Yo.
Nipa no mo ye ba say krade.
So no say we do abesre.
Obi di Kofi Asante ofri krom.
So obi di Kofi Asante.
Abetoche. Kwampoku. Ena kwabran pon wono.
Kwabran pon.
Gyaasehene wo faase no.
Gyaasehene wo faase no.
Ezo wo mo se wo mpe no.
Obo so wo mpe no.
Wono anabusuafo ka chense wo ye boni aye chese wo Ope ose kojo.
So I want to force me. Catch up. That's why you put here. We don't pass over to me.
Na kroma munim sameti o. Minim ni nyina.
O se mu ko mo se be ko to hene o tu o. O mu le ko su nyina.
Minim de akoso nyina.
So mu le ko su nyina.
ana me bobo din amabo po no nyina akire mo
o so ya bobo din amabo na bodi akire mo
sai na
yo
mo mbaba kwa ansa na afa akonwa no masi
o so mo ko ansa na akonwa no masi
ya me sa ka akire mo so ne se
yo
this in wanya akokodu anchemo
yo
na media me ka akire mo se mo pa mo za nkodin kwa me achi mu nyina agum na mo hwa dem
o so ka akire mo se ene obetumo na this na wanya kwan enya mukodo anchemo no otumu ne na so mema monko na mo ko so le se mo bibi mo fro ho obetumu nyina magum so ba tumi na
me ka akire mo ne
ama so ba ka akire mo se tumi bie ne ho
mo galamsey mo ye nyina mo nko season nyina nem tumi no free mo nsati
so galamsey mo de tuwa mo ye nyina mo no se be ko do yin no ade tumi ko de ko tuwa mo se be de galamsey no ni nyina e fu nsa mo di bra no be fu nsa de ya
sabronim ni mo na mabbo no
ti sabrono eni mo mo ana mabbo no
na mama nkrofo abanum su obatan wo kan na abayar sika wo penti
o se be am ensu a ya po ho ka ama sabronum se be no mo tu won mo enom mo be sai no di no gum o wo se be mo ya fu eni sa mo penti
adi mo yeah friends assembly member no ne
assembly member no
unit committee member no
unit committee member no so we
yo baka empanyifo no eja wo hwane mo kan chem hwan mo de eyefa mo kan chem
o se be se be fon de se gon kwa na aka no
aka aye akomo yen ko mo aka nyina ene o mo fi akonwa nto ne enko
o do me se de kuro no be se won sa yo
mo ro en pabo
mo ro mbabo Olo mina mo mo nsa mo mo nyo babo